We follow pizza drivers, make sure the customers get a Pepsi.
Is that legal?
That's a gray area.
Pizza guy! Pepsi guy!
Can you back off?
Yeah.
To enhance your pizza's flavor. You want to give it a taste? Well,
Not going anywhere, pal.
30 minutes or less? That was more like a cup.
Are they usually naked?
You'd be surprised.
That's the perfect combo.
Just like us.
Yeah, he's still following me. I don't know, some kind of TikTok bullshit.
There's nothing to grab onto!